Hello everybody. So my package has finally came from Perfumes by Chèrie. Um, this is how it looks when the box is open. So let me take everything out and I could give you the details and we could go from there. So catch this intro. Give me a thumbs up on the way in though, y'all. Give me a thumbs up, please. It's free. So it comes in this, she put it in this gold wrap with, y'all saw the bubble wrap. So let's take this out. So here it is. So my first order was just 1/8 ounce, but then I said, you know what? People are really going bonkers over this stuff. Let me go ahead and make it my wow and get another 8 ounce. So that's what I did. So she actually puts it in a 16. I guess this is a 16-ounce jar instead of giving two 8-ounce jars. These were $49 each. So it was $100. Yeah, so it was $100 for the 16-ounce. She opened up on December 29th. I think she I don't know when she opened up before, but people was getting their stuff. And her waiting is 2 to 6 weeks. So, needless to say, December 29th is March 11th. I just got it. It came yesterday. I didn't know that it had came yesterday, but it's a pre-order, so it's a 2 to 6 week shipping time. People order multiples of this, and I guess she makes them in small batches. Her description is crushes begin softly, and a glance, a feeling, a slow pull you can't explain. Marshmallow Crush Luxury Body Cream was made to capture that tension. Infused with the extract concentrate of the signature fragrance, she also has the perfume to this as well. Now that's a bit easier to get, but her body cream, she has to do them on pre-order. They just go way too fast. This indulgent formula leaves skin deeply moisturized and perfumed with something tender, warm, and unforgettable. The scent unfolds in layers. Spun sugar, light and luminous, melts into mouth-watering marshmallow, soft and warm and impossible to resist. A touch of creamy vanilla grounds the sweetness, leaving a sensual trace that clings close to the skin. It's the scent of a first crush, innocent, intoxicating, and unforgettable. Core memory unlocked. He didn't just want her, he ached for her, and she always left a trace. This creamy, non-greasy formula smooths over the skin like silk, enveloping the body in moisture that lasts beyond the moment. Lightweight yet indulgent, it hydrates deeply, restores softness, and leaves a luminous, touchable finish. Every application cushions the skin in comfort and scent, whether worn alone or layered with a fragrance. It becomes part of your signature. It's also available in a shimmer edition, a soft, glowing twist on the beloved classic, leaving skin kissed with gentle radiance like moonlight on sugar clouds. How to use the shimmer edition, I don't have that. It's vegan, free from parabens, phthalates, and added gluten, infused with extract level fragrance concentration, gentle, indulgent, and cruelty-free. So again, it's sold out, but it looks like the perfume, it says pre-order too, and it's on sale, so I don't know. And then she has Ice Cream Fantasy in a 100 ml. So you may be able to still go and get that, get the perfumes. Just know that it's a pre-order. It's 100 ml for $80. So you can go get the perfume, but of course the creams are, the body creams are literally sold out. She also gives a sample of Marshmallow Crush perfume as well. Sorry. So let's see what this looks like on the inside. Oh, this is nice. So when you open it, I saw some heart glitter fall out. So she gives you a little spatula and then she puts little heart glitters inside of the tray. And then you have to take off this pad right here, this cover. Okay, so this look like, it's like a thick, creamy. Because when I took it off, it was almost like, ooh. It looked like it's a thick, creamy type texture. Like a thick pudding. See that? So, to me, it's giving me similar to Deliza the Marshmallow. She makes a good marshmallow, especially her perfume, and her cotton candy is amazing. Delilah. But it may have to go through mail shock, you know, for me to let it sit and kind of see how it comes along. But yeah, it's giving me similar to Deliza. Very similar. So I'm gonna let this sit, and I'll go back every now and again to go ahead and sniff it. I will say I did put it on my hands. It soaks in very nicely without being greasy for as thick as it is. But yeah, also too, it's giving me kind of like a tad bit of that smoky type marshmallow as well. So let's let it sit. It just came. She makes them in small batches. And so it's not something that she just has sitting, hence the long wait time. She's one of those companies, because this product is so popular, is that you basically order and forget about it. It will come, but just order and forget about it. And they'll send you that email saying that your order is just about ready with the tracking and everything. With my order, the tracking took some days to update. They did respond fast and said if they're watching it closely, so if it doesn't, they would have sent me another one, 2-day mail. But that's why I said I forgot to even look to see if it had started tracking. And I was taking my son to the airport, and I just thought about it, and it showed that it came yesterday. So my son went and got it out the mailbox. So yeah, Perfumes by Chèrie, Marshmallow Crush. Follow her page on Facebook, because she's not going to open up until I think she finished all of her orders from December 29th. Yep. So that's that. Also, too, I'm not sure if she gets free shipping, but basically, when I ordered the 8-ounce, it was $49.99. Standard with tracking, it was $6.99, and then the tax was $4.35. So for one, it was $61.33. When I asked her, can I get another 8-ounce? She said sure, and she just sent me a PayPal invoice for the $49.99. So yeah, that's how much it was to get to me. $6.99 for the shipping, $4.35 tax, $61.33 just for one 8-ounce. And again, when I asked her, can I get another 8-ounce, she just sent me a invoice for $49.99. no extra shipping. So that's about it. Please give me a thumbs up on the way in. Have you ordered from Perfumes by Chèrie before? If so, how do you like her stuff? Does it get stronger as it sits, like some other, like other body creams and stuff? Let me know. And on that note, I'm out. Peace.